My name is Samara Waters, and I'm in a 3-year Bachelor's of Science in Nursing program at Pennsylvania College of Health Sciences.
My name is Nesa Samanchik. I'm in the Vascular Sonography program.
Hi, my name is Lily Curtis. I am in the 3-year BSM program at Pennsylvania College of Health Sciences.
I have my biology degree, and my intent was to go to graduate school to study physical therapy, and that didn't work out. So I joined I just joined the workforce, and I found a pretty decent job, and I really enjoyed my job. It paid me well. I had excellent benefits. I loved my work environment, but I knew that there was still something more. Like, I didn't push my way through all these really challenging classes in my biology degree just to work at this job where I wasn't using it. So I started researching online. What can I do with my biology degree? What can I find that I can combine my passion of health and science and the human body and my ability of connecting with people? And I found this vascular sonography program, and ever since I got in clinical and I started interacting with patients, I really solidified that this was the right choice for me.
So when I was younger, I took care of my grandmother at home, and the way it made her feel brought so much joy to my heart, and so I decided to seek a career in nursing. I'm interested in emergency nursing, and I hope to help my patients be able to manage their healthcare conditions and also help them with emotional, physical, social, mental, and spiritual needs.
So in high school, I thought I wanted to be a nurse, but I was too scared and kind of thought that it would be too hard. So I didn't pursue that path, and I pursued many other paths. And then when the pandemic hit, I was working as a school secretary and I lost my job. So I kind of went back to my original thought of, I think I kind of want to be a nurse. And I was watching all the frontline workers on the news, and they just seemed so brave, and they were doing this amazing work. And I was like, I want to be part of that. So I looked into going to school, and it just worked out that I was able to start the next fall. So I decided to take a leap and go to nursing school. I felt really recognized by the greater college community. It helped take a lot of the burden off of me and my family. I made the decision to go to nursing school kind of based on the pandemic and everything that was happening, and the financial piece of it was the last piece that was kind of coming into play, and I just knew that it would be worth it. And so to have someone invest in that dream also is really special and is really helpful.
So it was challenging to pick up my life and move 2 hours away, quit my full-time job, and there was a lot of uncertainty behind that. So, when you start school, all of these small fees start adding up, like a registration fee for an exam or a prep fee for an exam and your books and all of these things that your loan may or may not cover. But having the support of the scholarship donors really helped remind me that even though I'm facing these challenges, they believe that it's worth it to face all of those things, and they're showing that by providing donations in order to keep us encouraged and help us close those gaps along the way, those financial gaps for the challenges that we face.
Growing up, college was never a big thing in my family. Like, we knew people went to college, but it wasn't something that we saved up for. It wasn't something that we prepared for. It's just, I'm a first-generation college student. So to be able to be in this program, to succeed in this program, it's amazing. And the biggest thing for me was money. Honestly, it wasn't like the curriculum. I was understanding it. I get it. I feel like I truly love this career. I truly love this field. But me not getting a degree would have came from not having the money, not because I didn't understand the material. So this really, really means so much to me that we have donors to give money. Like, I'm going to get my degree because of this. Like, because of the help from this, I'm going to be able to get a degree, and it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling.
I was able to branch out a little bit more and get another job at the hospital, so I'm gaining more experience as a patient care assistant. And with my extra time, I'm getting really good grades, so I'm probably going to make the dean's list again.
The help of my scholarship allowed me to continue getting my nursing education. And this had led to me being able to make history and go to a mass vaccination site and be able to give vaccines for COVID-19 to help combat this pandemic. It was the best feeling ever, and I'm so grateful for that experience.
So I had all of these uncertainties floating around, like, am I doing the right thing? I was incredibly stressed out. I didn't know how I was going to pay my tuition. I'm thinking, like, did I do the right thing? Then I reached out to the financial aid office for help, and they let me know that I was selected as a recipient for a donation. And that gave me a lot of emotional security at that time, because I'm like, well, even if I don't believe in myself right now at this point, somebody else is believing in me. So I've got to just push through this and keep going, because it's a really challenging situation, but I know that the most rewarding things come from pushing yourself into challenging situations. When I think about my career in healthcare, I feel empowered with the education here to provide the best care possible to the patients that I'm going to see.
I think about my future in healthcare, I feel excited and I feel proud to be able to call myself a nurse.
When I think about my future in healthcare, I feel committed. I feel committed to my patients. I feel committed to the job. I feel committed to the challenges. And I'm just so excited to start my career in nursing. Now that I'm almost done with school, I feel most proud that my nieces can look up to me and know that college is an answer. You can get through college. Even though we might have not came from the most amount of money, you can get there. You just have to be determined. You have to be resilient. You have to look at resources. You have to know your worth. I'm just so excited that they can see it, and to see how happy it's making them that I'm graduating in a few weeks is like the best feeling ever.